Hello my friends, this is Earth vs Mankind for weather and disasters news. Beijing was hit by sudden strong winds and heavy rain, creating chaos in the city. During the storm, a crew of workers likely cleaning glass windows found themselves swaying hundreds of meters above ground from the CCTV headquarters building. The fierce gusts sent them floating in midair, with only cables keep them secure. Emergency services quickly responded, ensuring the workers' safety and addressing the dramatic situation. China is facing terrible weather lately, causing floods and heavy rains in many regions. At the end of this video, thank you very much for watching it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more weather and disasters news.